choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things. Not because they are easy, but because they are hard. That goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. That challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone.
Ignition sequence start.
6, 5,
and one we intend to win.
3, 2, 1.
All engines running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Cadillac has made a massive splash for 2026. Debuting a radical dual-sided livery for its first-ever Formula One entry and refreshing its dominant IMSA WEC prototypes. Revealed during a Super Bowl LX commercial on February 8. 2026, the Cadillac F1 car, driven by Valtteri Bottas and Sergio Perez, features one of the most unique designs on the grid. Asymmetric design, the car is literally split down the middle. One side is stark white and the other is deep black. The gradient where the colors meet. There is a complex gradient made of repeating Cadillac chevrons, creating a sense of speed while standing still. Key sponsors. TWG AI, the primary sponsor, the Winston Group, is featured prominently on the side pods. Tommy Hilfiger and Jim Beam, visible on the engine cover and rear. Claro, located on the cockpit sides, Perez's longtime backer. Visual philosophy, the team describes it as a balance of grit and determination, black, with aspiration and optimism, white. Before the Super Bowl reveal, Cadillac ran a special, shake-down livery in Barcelona, January 2026. Goal: to hide aerodynamic secrets. Design: a monochrome, geometric camouflage pattern. Easter egg: this temporary wrap included the names of every founding member of the Cadillac F1 team from both the US and the UK. Note: the F1 car currently uses Ferrari customer power units for its 2026 debut. Though GM has confirmed they will produce their own Cadillac power unit starting in 2029. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.